Hello, welcome to the Breazehome Google Calendar tutorial. My name is David Guerra. This project is operating under the mentorship of product owner Dr. Masood Sajadi. Before we can become an active participant in this project, we need to inform our product owner of what hours he can expect us to be working on this project. Shortly after joining the project, an invite to the project Google Calendar will be sent to your FIU email address. Once we're on the Google Calendar, make sure FIU Support Team Schedules is the only displayed calendar. Next, click any open area on the screen, select More Options, and set the time that you will be available that day of the week to work on this project. To save yourself a little effort, if you do not anticipate that your schedule is going to change from week to week, you can set your schedule to repeat on a weekly basis. However, if you do not use this method, you are expected to have your schedule set 2 weeks in advance for every upcoming week. Now repeat this process for every workday in your schedule. Please keep in mind that during these scheduled times you are expected to be actively participating in the project. If for any reason you are unable to contribute to the project during these scheduled times, you must inform your product owner before the start of your scheduled work time. This has been Davi Guerra, and I wish you good luck on this project.